Curious about Myers-Briggs compatibility in romance? Here are the most compatible matches for each personality type. ISTJs are dependable and compatible with ISFJs, while ISFJs seek safety with ISTJs. INFJs desire deep connections with INFPs, and INTPs are logical and direct, making them a great match with INTJs. ESTPs seek adventure with ISTPs, and ESFPs find compatibility with ESFJs. ESTJs are dedicated partners who match well with ISTJs, and ENFPs value excitement with ENTPs. Lastly, bold and assertive ENTPs are best paired with ENFPs who share their fun-loving nature.